So let's take a moment real quick and open up this bottom cover and see what the electric connections look like, because all that's done inside this bottom case. Okay, wow, that screws really tight. There's the screw, just a little self-tapper Phillips head screw. This one, I don't think you actually have to take off. I think that one can stay on there. Actually, I wonder if they even need to be loosened at all. No, they don't. They're just hinge screws. All right, that's cool. So, here's the inside of it. Is that going to stay up or is it going to fall down? It feels like it wants to fall. Yeah, that sucks. Well, I guess it's supposed to be hanging and not sitting on its bottom like this, or sitting on its top like this. So that's why it's trying to close on me. See what happens if I put this blade in there to hold it up. There we go. Okay. So, you know what? Let me move this over a little bit, and I can get you a better view of the diagram. So it actually has a picture of the wiring diagram in here. So there's the circuit, and then here's the physical layout. So you got your line in, L1 and L2. Oh, no it's not, I'm sorry. That's the external thermostat. So you got your external thermostat right there. And you got your line in, your L1 and L2. And there's your grounding cable. So that just goes down probably up into the heater area, the elements. So I guess you put your incoming ground wire right there. And that looks like the thermostat mounted there in the case. And is that right? It looks like it might be. You follow how these wires go in here. Here's your control knob. Yeah, see that? That's a physical disconnection of the power. That's cool. I like that. And then your selector switch for which elements will be powered. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty typical. Kind of what you'd expect to see. I guess they probably didn't need to do all this if they're only going to use this one internal thermostat. But it's there, so I'm just leaving it alone. All right, pretty cool.